How's it going, guys? It's Andrew here. Welcome back to the vlog. We got another day, another piece of shit Nissan, right? I'm just playing Zach. But right now we are doing the coilovers, swapping from D2 coilovers to some BCs. And I think we also might be switching his calibers out for some Brimbos. So we'll see how this goes. Right now we got the fronts out. They're over here. Go show you guys. Swapping these out. Got Zach here over here trying to set his preload on his new BCs. Well, new to him BCs.
So he says that the spanner wrench is supposed to be 4 millimeters of preload.
Alright, well, almost got one of the fronts in. You said these are the extreme lows, aren't they?
Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty sure.
Let me put this down so I get in there. Alright, we got the driver's side in pretty easy. The passenger side is being kind of a pain. Both coilovers were set to the same height, so I'm not sure what's going on here, but we're going to try to drop the upper control arm.
Should be.
Alright, so we got the fronts installed, but I think we're going to go lower, because that's not quite tucking. Not quite. Alright guys, we're going to start working on the back, but I got something cool today. Lexi Manners, Zach Manners' wife, hooked me up with a sticker. Well, I think she did an amazing job, and if you guys need any decals or stickers made, you guys should hit her up. I'll post her Instagram here. But, yeah, thanks, Lexi. I really appreciate it. Let's see what Zach's doing.
Oh, it's 19. How come that worked? Okay, no, it's definitely 19. 19 and a 19. Uh-oh, this may be an issue.
Well, we got the fronts done. Now we're just working on the backs. Should be easy, right?
Yeah, that'll be easy.
2 seconds.
Famous last words.
Man, your car is clean though, man. Sounds good.
Right?
It does sound better.
It's not your normal, like, straight pipe VQ. I mean, it's deep as fuck.
Is it still a straight pipe though? No cats?
High flow cats.
High flow cats?
Dismo high flows.
Fuck, baller.
They came
Dismo?
from Lower. Yeah, they're Dismo high flow. Those are only like $800 though. They're not that crazy.
Alright guys, well, we're back at home. Got his coilovers all done. Should have some shots in there. But I also got a surprise while I was there. I finally got a sticker made, as you guys saw. I got kind of impatient, so I ended up putting it on my car and realized something about my choice of color. Alright guys, as you saw, my logo doesn't really look too good on a tinted window, so I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and figure out if I'm going to turn the color from black to white, or if I'm going to add a white background, or maybe just a white outline to kind of help that help everything pop out. Still kind of figuring that out, so if you guys can let me know in the comments what you think, and maybe you guys can help me out. In my next video, I should be showing you guys a really cool custom piece that I'm getting made for my car that I'm really excited about and can't wait to show you guys. So I will definitely catch you guys on the next one.